So today we are going to study about sound, right? You all know about sound. In the previous introductory session I had taken up this topic that sound is produced by vibrations. So here we are going to experience it. Okay? So this is tuning fork and this is pad where we are going to strike it. I want one student to just listen it. Can I have Subhi here? Subhi, come here. Subhi. See, all of you can get the chance to just experience this. So I am hitting this tuning fork with this pad and then it gets vibrate, and due to its vibrations sound is produced, right? I am hitting it. What are you experiencing? What? Vibrations. Is it making sound? It's making sound. Such type of sound is coming, right? Okay, you can go. One boy, Sivet, come here. So sound is emerging out, right? Okay, so it is creating vibrations, and this vibration I am going to demonstrate you that it is producing the ripples or not. Okay, so just see carefully in this class that sound can travel from water also, right? So I am just hitting this, means this knob is hitting, right? So it will produce ripples. Have you experienced the splicing of water splashes out?
Yeah.
You can notice it. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Means it is passing from water itself, right? It is splashing out. The sound is emerging out from vibrations. Okay. Now, I had told you that object which is less denser produces another intensity of sound, that is loudness of pitch is differing with the nature of material. See, I am just dropping it from this height and just experience the sound. What was the sound? You are able to hear
Yes,
the
sir.
texture of the sound? What is the texture of the sound? Was there any differences?
Yes, sir.
You had experienced the difference?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next thing is what? How does sound propagate from one medium to another medium? Suppose I am hitting this, and how come we are experiencing this vibrations or sound? Okay, Ayushi, you getting that? What happened here when I am hitting it here? So it is creating disturbance in the environment where it is kept. Suppose I am speaking, the voice is coming from my vocal cords, vibrations are making out, right? And the voice is coming. So voice is coming from my mouth, right? From my vocal cords, and then it disturbs the particles present in the air, and due to compression and rarefaction, are you getting it? Compression and rarefaction, what happened? The particles which are nearer, they get disturbed and they get energy and they start vibrating, and then that particles let the other particles gain the energy and they disturb and then they vibrate. Simultaneously this is going on, and you all are experiencing these waves or these radiations of sounds, and you are able to hear the sound from your ears. So sound travel in the form of wave. This is longitudinal wave. So now I am going to tell you what is loudness and what is pitch. What is loudness? If a boy shouts in the class, suppose I am teaching you all, same word I will spell and same word a girl will spell. and you just experience the texture. So which girl is about to come and say? Unnati, come here. Just come. Okay. So which word can I say? Okay, let me expel encyclopedia in a louder voice. Encyclopedia.
Encyclopedia.
Is there any difference?
Yes, sir.
Whose voice is more louder?
Sir.
My voice is more louder and her voice is less louder. Okay? You can go. So it means that loudness depends upon what? Amplitude. What is amplitude? The maximum distance covered by a vibrating object or vibrating particle. If suppose the air particles are getting vibrated, so the maximum distance, the particle which shows maximum displacement, so this particle, so the distance between the mean point and this is known as A, and this is what? Amplitude. What?
Amplitude.
Very good. So here you can see that it is reaching to the maximum height, then again it is coming and then नीचे की तरफ जाता है, right, this way. So this is known as crest and this is known as trough. Right? This is what? This is compression. And this is rarefaction. Are you getting it?
Yes,
This is the difference between rarefaction and compression. Okay? Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now see. What does it happen? If suppose any person is speaking sound source. Suppose this is the sound source. From here the sound is coming, right? Here is the air. So air के particles like this. Then it moves further. Then again comes in this way. Again, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Where it is concentrated, this is compression. Where it is farther apart, that is rarefaction. Is it clear? Okay, so this is about what? Amplitude of the sound and wave of the sound. Now, the distance between one crest to another is known as what? Okay, suppose let it be. Just let me explain again. The distance between one crest or one trough to another trough. Okay? From one crest to another crest or one trough to another trough is known as what? Lambda. And lambda is what? Wave length. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Wavelength. You all have heard this word. Red color is having maximum wavelength. That is why people used to write down ambulance word from red color. Okay? Anna?
Yes, sir.
Bulls also gets attracted towards red color, right?
Yes, sir.